Hello everyone, welcome to Continuum Mathematics. So in this video we are going to discuss about dependent and independent variable which is taken out from the differential equation, right? So many of the students are having doubts that which one is my dependent variable and which one is my independent variable, right? So for example, you say that I have an equation, say y is equal to x. Now you are going to differentiate it with respect to x. Okay, for example, you are going to differentiate this with respect to x. So what will be? Dy by dx is equal to 1, right? So that means, now see, look here, now let us go to the short definition of dependent and independent variable. What is the definition? The variable whose value is assigned is called independent variable. Okay, is called independent variable. And what about independent variable? The variable whose value is obtained corresponding to assigned value is called dependent variable. Okay, so the variable whose value is assigned is called independent variable, and the variable whose value is obtained corresponding to assigned value is called dependent variable. Clear? Now let me give you an example. Say dy by dx is equal to 1. Clear? So here what I have, see, here the y is my dependent variable, okay, and the here x is my independent variable. Clear? Now if I take another example, say dx, say dx by dy is equal to 2x. Okay, is equal to 2x. Now here what I have, here my x is my dependent variable and here the y is my independent variable. That means with respect to, in this equation what I took is that with respect to x, right? So with respect to anything we are taking, that will be my independent variable, right? Clear? And here what I took with respect to y, and here I took with respect to x. Clear? With respect to x. Okay, so now let me take another example. Say dy by dx is equal to 3x square y. Okay, dy by dx is equal to 3x square y. So here as you can see, with respect to x will be my what? Independent variable, and the next one y will be my dependent variable. Clear? So I hope that your independent and dependent variable confusions are clear. So kindly share this video to your friends. Please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you students. We will catch you on the next video.